Welcome back to my channel. Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. It's great to have you here. Every journey begins with a small spark of curiosity, and that spark can lead to something far greater than we ever imagined. You see, curiosity is a beautiful gift. It's that quiet whisper in our hearts that says, "There's more out there. Keep going. Keep searching." It's the reason a child looks up at the stars and wonders what's beyond them, or why someone picks up a dusty old book and finds a story that changes their life forever. When we talk about a small spark, we're not talking about something grand or loud. It's simple, it's often quiet. It's the moment you ask why or what if, and right there in that simple question, something begins to move. It's like a flame that starts deep inside, and if you let it grow, it can lead you to places you never dreamed possible. That's how the story of the Blue Scarab begins, not with power, not with fame, but with curiosity. Someone saw something ordinary, something most people would walk past without a thought, and yet they looked closer. They wanted to understand, and that moment of curiosity led them into a journey that revealed lessons about courage, truth, and the light that lives within us all. Sometimes in life, we stop being curious. We get so used to the routine wake up, work, sleep, repeat that we forget to look around and ask questions. We forget that life is full of mysteries waiting to be discovered. Maybe we used to dream big, maybe we used to believe in something more, but somewhere along the way, that spark dimmed. But here's the truth, the spark never really dies. It's still there, deep down, waiting for us to breathe on it again. Maybe all it takes is a story like this one to remind us. Maybe it's hearing about a scarab, a tiny creature most would ignore, that makes us see the power in small beginnings, because sometimes the smallest things carry the biggest messages. Curiosity doesn't just lead us to knowledge, it leads us to understanding of others, of the world, and of ourselves. It opens doors that fear tries to keep shut. It teaches us to see beauty in the broken places, hope in the hard times, and faith in what we cannot see. When we dare to be curious, we are daring to grow. So don't be afraid to follow that spark. Don't silence it when it calls, because that's how every great story begins, with someone who simply wondered. Someone who believed that the ordinary could hold something extraordinary. The Blue Scarab reminds us that what seems small today can become the start of something eternal tomorrow. And maybe, just maybe, that spark inside you is waiting right now, waiting for you to take the first step and let your own story begin. Sometimes the smallest things, like a blue scarab, carry the biggest lessons about courage, faith, and hope. It's strange, isn't it, how something so small, something most of us would never notice, can hold a message powerful enough to touch the heart. That's the way life often works. The things that seem unimportant, the moments that appear too small to matter, are the very ones that carry the deepest truths. Think about that little scarab, just a small creature, crawling through dust and shadow, easily overlooked by anyone passing by. Yet within its journey lies a picture of perseverance and courage. Day after day, it keeps moving, pushing, rolling its small world forward. It doesn't quit. It doesn't question its purpose. It doesn't ask for the spotlight or applause. It simply keeps going, faithfully doing what it was made to do. That, my friends, is courage, the quiet kind, the kind that doesn't shout but endures. Courage isn't always about standing on a stage or leading a crowd. Sometimes it's just about facing another day when the last one broke your heart. It's getting up when everything inside you says, "Stay down." It's choosing to believe there's light ahead, even when all you can see is the dark. The Blue Scarab teaches us that real courage isn't loud, it's steady. It's that small, unshakable step forward when everything seems impossible, and with courage comes faith. Faith that the journey has a purpose, even when we can't see it. The scarab doesn't know why it pushes that small ball of earth. It just trusts its instinct, trusts that what it's doing matters. That's what faith looks like in us too. Sometimes we don't understand why we're going through certain trials, why the path is rough or lonely. But faith reminds us that there's meaning even in the struggle, that every step we take with a believing heart draws us closer to something greater. Then there's hope, the anchor of it all. Hope is what keeps us from giving up when courage feels weak and faith seems small. Hope whispers, keep moving. Hope says this is not the end. Just like that little scarab crawling beneath the blazing sun, we too find strength in the promise that there's something beautiful ahead. Hope doesn't deny the hard days. It gives them purpose. It turns every obstacle into an opportunity to trust a little deeper, love a little stronger, and shine a little brighter. So when you see something small, a creature, a moment, a chance encounter, don't dismiss it. Don't assume it has no value. Sometimes the smallest things are placed in our path to teach us what nothing else could. The blue scarab may be tiny, but it reminds us that within the smallest life there can live the greatest message, a message of courage to begin, faith to endure, and hope to never give up. And maybe, just maybe, that's what we're all here to learn. We live in a world full of treasures, but the greatest treasure is the truth that changes our hearts. Everywhere we look, people are searching for something: success, recognition, comfort, a sense of belonging. We chase after things that glitter, thinking they'll fill the emptiness inside. But no matter how much we collect, no matter how high we climb, it's never enough. Because the treasures of this world can satisfy the hands, but they can never satisfy the heart. We're taught from a young age to run after what shines: money, fame, approval, and for a while it might feel like those things are worth it. But deep down, there's still a quiet ache that whispers there must be more than this. And there is. The real treasure, the one that never fades, is truth, not the kind we read in headlines or hear in passing, but the kind that reaches deep into the soul and transforms it from the inside out. Truth doesn't always come wrapped in gold or presented in grand moments. Sometimes it comes in silence, in struggle, in stories like the blue scarab, small, simple, yet filled with meaning. In that tiny creature's persistence, we see a reflection of something eternal, that no matter how small we feel, we have purpose. That's truth, the kind that speaks to the heart and reminds us that we are not here by accident. The problem is, too many of us trade eternal truth for temporary treasure. We think the next thing will finally bring peace, a better job, a bigger house, a new distraction. But peace doesn't live in things. It lives in truth. Truth tells us who we are when the world tries to define us. It tells us what matters when everything around us screams for attention. It shows us that our worth isn't built on what we have, but on who we are inside. And when that truth enters the heart, it changes everything. It softens the proud, heals the broken, and gives hope to the weary. It reminds us that the measure of a person isn't in their possessions, but in their compassion. It teaches us that love is greater than wealth, and forgiveness stronger than pride. That's the treasure the world can't give, and it's the one we were made to find. The greatest truth of all is that we are meant to live with purpose, to care, to lift, to believe. When that truth takes root, fear loses its grip, anger loses its power, and suddenly the world looks different, not because it has changed, but because we have. So while the world chases after silver and gold, choose to seek something deeper. Seek the treasure that won't rust or fade, because when truth lives in your heart, you hold something no one can ever take away, and that is the treasure worth searching for. When we face darkness or doubt, remember even a scarab crawling through dust can shine under the light. There's something powerful in that image. A small creature covered in dirt, unseen by most, still carries a quiet glow when the light finds it. It doesn't stop crawling because the path is rough, and it doesn't give up because no one notices. It keeps moving step by step through the dust, and when the sun touches it, the blue of its shell gleams like a jewel. That, my friends, is what hope looks like. Every one of us walks through dark seasons. There are moments when life feels heavy, when we can't see what's ahead, when doubt whispers louder than faith. Maybe you've been there in that silent space where you wonder if your efforts matter, if your prayers are heard, if your light still shines. But let me tell you, just because the world around you feels dark doesn't mean the light has left you. Sometimes the light is simply waiting for the right moment to reveal what's been shining all along. Darkness has a way of testing us. It strips away what's easy and leaves behind what's real. It's in those moments that courage is born, not from confidence, but from trust. When the scarab keeps crawling, even through the dust, it's not because it sees the end, it's because it believes there's something beyond what it feels. And that's the same for us. We keep moving not because the road is smooth, but because we know there's a light that will meet us when we stay the course. Doubt is a shadow that tries to dim our glow. It tells us we're too small, too weak, too far gone. But light doesn't ask permission to shine. It just does. And when it touches even the dustiest shell, it brings out beauty that no darkness can hide. Maybe you've made mistakes. Maybe you've fallen. Maybe you've lost your way, but if you let even the smallest beam of light reach you, it can transform what looks broken into something radiant. Sometimes it takes walking through the dust to truly understand what light means. If we never faced the night, we'd never appreciate the sunrise. The scarab doesn't resent the dirt, it moves through it, knowing that it's part of the journey, and so must we. Every trial, every doubt, every tear has a place in shaping who we are. The light isn't just at the end of the path. It's been with us all along, waiting for us to lift our heads and see it. So when you find yourself walking through dark places, don't stop. Don't lose heart. You may feel covered in dust, but that doesn't mean your light is gone. It's still there waiting to shine again. And when it does, the world will see that even in the dust, you were never without the light. Life's greatest discoveries aren't found in gold or glory, but in understanding who we are and what we believe in. We live in a world that measures success by what we can hold, by what others can see, the medals, the money, the applause. But the truth is, none of those things define who we are. They fade, they rust, they lose their shine. The real treasures in life aren't dug out of the earth or built by our hands. They're discovered deep within the heart, where the quiet questions live. Who am I? What do I stand for? What do I believe in when everything else falls away? It's easy to chase after gold, to run after glory. The world rewards those who shine the brightest, speak the loudest, and climb the highest. But the higher we climb without knowing ourselves, the harder the fall becomes. Understanding who we are isn't about pride or perfection, it's about truth. It's about looking within and realizing that worth isn't earned by trophies or titles. It's something we were given long before the world had anything to say about us. When we begin to understand who we truly are, something shifts. The noise of the world grows quiet. We stop needing to prove ourselves, and we start to live with purpose. Because once you know who you are, no one can tell you who you're not. That's where strength is found, not in power or popularity, but in peace. And then there's belief, what we hold on to when life tests us. Belief isn't just an idea we talk about. It's the foundation we stand on when everything else shakes. It's what keeps us steady when the storms come, when the answers don't make sense, when the path grows uncertain. Belief gives direction to who we are. It tells us why we wake up each morning, why we keep trying, why we forgive, why we love even when it hurts. The Blue Scarab story reminds us of this truth. It's not about finding treasure in the sand or uncovering gold in the ground. It's about finding light inside ourselves, realizing that discovery isn't something that happens out there, but in here, in the quiet spaces of the soul. Sometimes it takes failure, sometimes it takes loss, sometimes it takes walking through pain to uncover that understanding. But when we do, we find that what we've been searching for was never really lost. It was waiting for us to see it. Life's greatest discoveries come when we stop chasing and start listening to the still, small voice inside that says, "You were made for more than this world can give." And when we finally understand that truth, the search for gold and glory loses its pull, because we've found something far more lasting. And that discovery, the one that reveals who we are and what we believe, is the greatest treasure of all. At the end of every story, we realize that what we were searching for was never far away, it was inside us all along. Isn't that the truth of life? We spend so much time looking outward, reaching for something just beyond our grasp, a dream, a purpose, a sign that tells us who we're meant to be. We think the answers are out there, somewhere in the distance, but the longer we search, the more we begin to understand that what we've been chasing was quietly waiting within us the whole time. We chase success because we think it will make us whole. We chase people because we think they'll make us complete. We chase meaning because we think we've lost it somewhere along the road. But what if it was never lost? What if the peace we're looking for, the strength we're trying to find, the light we long to see, what if all of that has been living within us, waiting for us to notice? Life has a way of leading us in circles until we learn that simple truth. Every mountain we climb, every valley we cross, every scar we carry, all of it points us back to ourselves, to the heart that was created with more resilience, more love, and more grace than we often give it credit for. We look for validation from the world when the Creator already placed value within us. We look for direction from others when the compass of truth is already written in our spirit. The story of the Blue Scarab reminds us that even the smallest creature carries light. It doesn't need to become something else to shine. It doesn't have to travel far to find purpose. The beauty is already there, hidden under dust, revealed when the light touches it. That's how it is with us too. Sometimes life covers us with worry, disappointment, or fear. We start to believe that we've lost our worth, that our glow has dimmed. But when the light finds us, the light of understanding, of truth, of grace, we see that the treasure was never gone. It was just waiting to be uncovered. When we stop running from who we are and start embracing it, something powerful happens. We find peace. We stop measuring our worth by comparison. We stop doubting the voice inside that whispers, "You are enough." We stop searching for meaning as if it's a destination and start realizing it's a journey that begins and ends within the heart. Every great story, every true discovery, every lasting change begins there inside. That's where courage grows, where faith is born, where love takes root. The world may distract us, but it cannot take away what was placed within us from the beginning. And when that moment comes, when we finally see that everything we were looking for has been with us all along, that's when the story truly begins to shine. And that's the heart of our story, a reminder that even the smallest spark can light the way. If this message touched your heart, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs a little hope today. Subscribe for more stories that inspire faith, courage, and light in everyday life. Your support helps us keep spreading messages that matter. Until next time, stay strong, stay curious, and keep your light shining bright.